This is Christian rolling on the floor laughing at the same time. Literally.
Hello, people.
So you're gonna burp and fart at the same time?
I can try.
Okay, try it.
Can you step on my stomach right here? That's the other way I'm gonna fart. Wait, oh crap. Okay. No, look.
Your butt was sticking up when you were aiming.
I don't think it's gonna come out.
Why not?
Well, I can try. It's not working.
It doesn't come out on cue anymore?
No, it never came out on cue. It just always came out when it wanted to.
Are you sure?
Okay, I'll do one more burp for you.
Okay.
And good day.